All right, guys, we're gonna make this short and simple, super quick. You get a little close-up of all the dog hair. You guys see I mean, this is a good car to use this or make this video for or on. You guys see all this dog hair. It's just piles of it. So basically, you guys search this video for a reason. Obviously, dog hair is super hard. Some fabrics are a lot harder on some vehicles rather than others. This one, it should be relatively easy, but just on the fabric, on this type of fabric, it is going to be a little tougher. But I'm going to show you guys a couple tricks on how to remove dog hair. So with number one, this tool right here, Lily Brush, very helpful, removes pretty effectively. And it is like $10, you could get it on Amazon. I'll link it down below. But with this, it's a soft edge right here. As you could easily see, it's very quick and effective. These are quick little ways and effective ways. I'm gonna show you guys a little cheat code on how to remove dog hair too. Some are a bit more messy than others, but right here, you guys can see the Lily Brush doing its thing. And then you just vacuum that up, or let it be there. Yeah, very effective. Just scoop it up right there, and then you get your vacuum. And vacuum it up just like that. So right here on this one, the Lily Brush is not really needed because as you could see, picks it up relatively easy. It's just gonna take a little bit of time to vacuum it like this. It'll take a little bit more time if you just vacuum. That's what a lot of people have. So this is another way to remove it. You can leave it like dry. I like to usually wet the area. And now this is where it gets a little messy. So just close your mouth, nose, any openings. You don't want no hair to, you don't want to inhale this but it is messy. It's going to go all over the place. But what you do, if you do have more of a budget, just get yourself a drill and buy these brush attachments for a drill on Amazon. I could link this down below as well. But it's a little quick connect right there on an impact gun. And then you just go at it on softly on the side. This is a quick way. I like to do my mats like this as well, even if they have dog hair or not dog hair. Instead of vacuuming the mats, I like to hold up the mats and pass this brush by it, and it cleans it up very fast. So this is an effective way. A lot of people don't like this. This is like to loosen up the dog hair, but also goes out the window or the doors. And this also helps a lot on mostly the floors, because if you guys know, vacuuming floors is a pain. And just to loosen up all the hair to make the vacuum easier, you want to go ahead and, as you can see, like that. I'm going to show you guys, that was with it dry. I'm going to show you guys spraying it now. So here you guys see all the dog hair. Of course, it's not going to be removed. You got to vacuum it after. This is just to loosen up the dog hair and make it easier for the vacuum process. So there you go. And I did not touch or detail the doors yet or anything else. I'm doing the vacuum first, just because this does get a little messy, and all the dog hair would be going all over. Obviously, you guys see how messy it gets. So this is another thing. I'm sorry, cameraman, but step back a little bit. But now those were two ways. So number one, the Lily Brush, effective. Of course, the vacuum. You're gonna need the vacuum, or at least you're gonna need the vacuum. So Lily Brush, vacuum. We did the drill brush, went over the drill brush. And then last one is the air compressor. This one helps a lot too, especially have the doors open. And I say, it doesn't hurt the environment, right? Just blow it out. Ooh. Blow it out. Just less for your vacuum to take in. Very quick, effective. It won't get everything. Maybe if you have the Tornador or a different air compressor attachment, but it cleans up nicely, and it also gives you that state of mind, or just you looking at the vehicle instead of looking at all of this hair right here, it gets kind of frustrating. So instead of looking at all this, blow most of it out and then you just vacuum out the rest. I'm gonna blow it my way and you guys will see, or if you get a closer look, that seat is covered in dog hair. We're gonna go ahead and air compress it my way. Make sure to close your mouth and your nose, all that. Continue. All right, of course, after you do this too, make sure you look at the headliner. Make sure you're not missing any spots, because since the dog hair is airborne, it can stick to the fabric, possibly on top on the headliner. And with all the drilling and all the vacuuming, make sure double check the headliner. You don't want no hairs stuck up on there. And then just vacuum all the loose hair. You know how I said this fabric is a little easier to remove dog hair, thankfully. It's not that much of a pain. Depending on what dog you have or what pet you have, the hair might be easier to remove compared to others. So I'm gonna get a little more detail on this. Just wanted to record a video. Just wanted to record a quick video showing you guys a lot of the tools I use: air compressor, vacuum, drill brush, and the lily brush. This is the detailer's favorite. Ask about it. Very effective, affordable tool, and it helps a lot. So just like that, look. It's just come with the vacuum after, you know. Just wanted to make a quick video. Hopefully it wasn't too annoying. Hopefully it was helpful, and hopefully you guys buy one of the products. I will link them down below. I do not have affiliate links, so I will not get a percentage, sadly, but go ahead, shop down below. Hopefully this helped. Hopefully this was a nice little demonstration. I am back to posting. This is the first video in I believe like a year, but we're gonna try to post more, get more done this year. But we're still going, man. We still got the detailing business, and sun is slowly coming out, so we're gonna be booked back to back. So expect more videos, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next video. Vámonos, way. Solid cut. Cut. Oh wait, are you recording still? All right, look, actually, come over here. After you're done, make sure of course, when you're done with the detail, spray yourself down, because you're gonna have dog hairs all over you. You don't want to be stepping out or greeting another client with a lot of dog hair, you know. So stay tuned though. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe. You guys see the logo. Come on now. Yay.